Hey, what's up, guys? It's Jen from Parcel and Page. It feels like I was just here, but here I am again. I got my July Hubman and Chubgirl subscription. I get the journal subscription box, and I get a couple extras here and there. And let's open up, see what we have. Start with this. That's extra. I'll show you that later. Okay, I did get the washi. We have Beach Birds and Summer Mood, which I will swatch. And then here's our journaling subscription. Comes with the months, several for your spreads, and then you have your days of the week and your monthly days and your date dots. And once again, your date dots that are squares. Then our planner stickers, the theme is beach birds. So we have beach water fun with the seagulls, time for a snack, sunny beach day, sandcastle fun, which is really cute, and beach time. I grew up on Long Island in New York, and seagulls were fun, dirty little creatures. Okay, and then we have our journaling card for the month. Seagulls hanging out, having fun. Very cute. And next we have our die cuts for the month. Sandcastle, which I love, and a happy sun. Cute. And then our 3 sticker sheets. We have Fun in the Sun and Beach Snacks and Sea and Sand. The 3 sticker sheets come with all of the subscriptions. The small guys are for planners and journaling subscriptions. And they just started now also. Our free stationery item for the month. It looks like it's a sticker book. If I can get it out, it would be fantastic. I hate doing that, but there we go. Yeah, it's a reusable sticker book. These are great for just adding the leftovers that you have for the month. You can use them also for something specific, like just put your extra days in here, your extra dates, however you want to use it, but these are really good. Now, they started a new program where after 6 orders, you get a free item. After 12, I think it probably goes up in multiples of 6. I chose the Boba Love. It's really cute. There are 4 sticky notebooks, each one with 30 sheets. There was a frog one that was available too, but it had 2 of the sticker sheets with like little teeny lily pads, which I didn't really think were super helpful. But these are really cute. And for a free item, even cuter. Okay. Now we have the variety sticker pack, which comes with 7 different sticker sheets, all in the theme of the seagulls. Why can't I get these open today? Okay. Our first one is cute little sun things in a gold foil and little happy dots. Just wing it. I love summer, summer fun. You're so fly. Can't get it. Summer weather, can't catch me. Summer snacks and more summer fun. Very cute. I'll use those for sure. A strip of washi type material, 3 different patterns, and these are writable vinyl. So a little bit of a functional box theme, but real cute decorations in the corner. And we have our vinyl mood trackers, but I don't use them for mood trackers. I just use them for decoration on the page, but use them however you want, obviously. And then a clear vinyl, really cute. See, 4 different designs there. And my Polaroids that I love making scenes with these along the bottom of a page or along the side. I've been using them for Dutch doors too, so as you can see they're a nice vinyl. So there's the vinyl sticker, or the variety sticker pack. We have our 2 washi tapes. Top one is Summer Mood, that's 10 millimeters. And the one on the bottom is Beach Birds, that's 15. The top one has that little bit of a sandy feeling that most of their tapes have. This one is smooth. It's really cute. It goes on a little bit before it repeats too, which is nice. So really good summery themes for sure. If you like the beach, this is the one for you. Anyway, enjoy your July theme, and I would love to see what some of you guys do with it. If you enjoyed what you see, if you do me a favor, just like the video, subscribe if you would be so inclined, and I will see you next time. Bye.